Hello everyone, welcome to my online class. Well, through this video, we will discuss about or we will try to know about some subtopic of chapter number 8 shapes around us. And through this video, we will learn about plane and curved face surfaces. Planes and curved surfaces. And second things we will learn through these videos, straight and curved line. These two subtopics in this video. First, plane and curved surfaces, and the second one is straight and curved line. So let's start the first subtopic, plane and curved surface. The things or the shape which we found around us, they have either plane surface or curved surface. जैसे for example, what is the meaning of surface? Surface means face or surface is the same thing. Face and surface. Face means satah. But what is the meaning of plane and curve? Already I told about these things in previous video also, but once again I want to repeat. Plane surface. Plane means flat. In Hindi, samtal. Surface means satah. Surface means what? Surface means face. Surface of face is same thing. Surface means satah. Now, I want to explain it through some prop. First, we will talk about plane surface. Okay. First, we talk about plane surface. So you can see that a cube is in my hand. Okay. So this is face. Already I taught and told in previous video. This area. This is called surface. This is called surface. How many faces? How many faces in cube? 6. So 6 surface. 6 faces means 6 surface. Okay. 4 faces means 4 surface. So you can see that these things is called surface. इसको surface बोलते हैं. But which type of surface a cube has? Plane और flat. प्लेन है ना, एकदम क्या है, समतल है. ऐसा है कि कहीं अंदर है कहीं बाहर है, नहीं, फ्लैट है. ये फ्लैट सरफेस इज कॉल्ड प्लेन सरफेस. मतलब क्या बोलते हैं, समतल सतह को. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल फ्लोर इन द रूम का जो फ्लोर होता है, फ्लोर ऑफ द रूम जो रूम का जो फ्लोर होता है वो कैसा होता है, फ्लैट होता है. ऐसा नहीं कि एक कहीं ऊंचा कहीं नीचा होता है, ऐसा तो नहीं है, मुड़ा हुआ तो नहीं होता, फ्लैट होता है. तो फ्लोर ऑफ आवर रूम और this you can see that this is a flat surface. ये flat surface है. अब flat surface को क्या बोलते हैं? Plane surface. तो this position, this portion is called what? Plane surface. अब समझ में आ गया? Now second one is curve. Curve means what? First let me check. First we will complete it. Plane surface. Okay, now I am going to write some examples of some shapes in which have plane surface. This is cube. This is cuboid. This is cube. This is cube. This is cuboid. In these two shapes, cube and cuboid had plane surface. Six faces. Already how many? There are six faces in cube, six faces in cuboid. So all six faces are प्लेन सरफेस. ये प्लेन सरफेस होता है. क्यूब एंड क्यूबॉइड में क्या होता है? प्लेन. क्यूब एंड क्यूबॉइड हैव प्लेन सरफेस. ओके, दिस पोजीशन. Okay, now so I hope all of you have understood the meaning of plane surface. Now come to the curved surface. Okay, if we want to write some example of shapes in which plane surface have example cube, cuboid. Okay, so like this. And now come to the curved surface. Curved means what? Curved means घुमावदार, मुड़ा हुआ. Curved means वक्राकार, वक्राकार या मुड़ा हुआ. ठीक है, जो मुड़ा हुआ रहता है, घुमावदार रहता है. लेकिन हिंदी नहीं जानते अभी. कर्व मीन्स जो मुड़ा हुआ, जो फ्लैट ना हो. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल you can see that this is a sphere. Ball is also already I told ball is an example of a sphere. So you can see that a ball has curved surface. Curved surface होता है, घुमावदार है ना, हर तरफ से घुमा हुआ है, हर तरफ से मुड़ा हुआ है ना. ऐसा नहीं कि फ्लैट है. फ्लैट तो नहीं है, नहीं है फ्लैट. इस पे अगर कुछ रखना चाहे तो नहीं रख पाएंगे. तो this sphere is an example of a sphere in which a sphere had curved surface. A sphere had curved surface. In Hindi, sphere है और and sphere. A sphere had also curved surface. Chalk. This position. This part of this chalk is had curved surface. ये जो है ना, ये घुमा हुआ पार्ट जो है, ये क्या है? दिस इज कर्व सरफेस. दिस इज कर्व सरफेस. सो these are some example. And water bottle, outer layer of water bottle also is an example of curved surface. So many example of curved surface. And cone also, a cone has, already I told, cone has curved surface also. हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? For example, sphere. So these are some shapes in which had curved surface. This is curved surface. This is curved surface. Okay. Now, so completed. Now come to the straight and curved line. Straight means what? Straight means in Hindi सीधा. Straight line like this. These all, you can see that I have drawn some lines on the board. These all are straight line. मुड़ा हुआ है कहीं से? सीधा है. सीधा है यहां से लेकर the all are straight line. Okay. Now curved line. Curve means what? Curve means मुड़ा हुआ. Like so you can see that I have drawn some curved line on the board. ये curved line है, देख रहे हो मुड़ा हुआ है और ना, है ना, ये मुड़ा हुआ है. Straight line and curved line. Now this is rectangle. Triangle. Square. This is rectangle, triangle and square. And you can see that in this all shapes have a straight line. Straight line है. Look at it. Straight line, straight line, straight line, straight line. How many lines? How many lines in a rectangle? 4 lines. How many rectangle? How many lines in rectangle? 4 lines. In square 4 lines, and in triangle 3 lines. Tri means 3. Okay, these all are straight line. These all are straight line. These all are straight line. How many lines? In triangle 4, in square 4, 4 lines, 4 straight line. Four straight line, 3 straight line. Okay, and straight. These are some examples. Some examples also, and so many more examples in which have straight line. Say, look at here. This is straight line, straight line, straight line. Edge is also straight line. Edge of a cube and cuboid. Edge of a cube and cuboid. एक स्ट्रेट लाइन. ये क्या है? स्ट्रेट लाइन तो ही है. ये सब किनारा, ये सब ये तो किनारा ही तो है. ये किनारा ही है ना. ये साइड, साइड का मतलब क्या? किनारा ही तो है. ये स्ट्रेट लाइन. यस और नो? सो नाउ कम टू द कर्व लाइन. A circle. This is circle. Circle or sphere. A circle, a sphere, a cone, and chalk. Okay. When you can see that this is chalk. Already I told. These things is called what? This thing is called edge. Edge. Yes or no? This is a curved surface. This is a plane surface. These things. This is a plane surface, and this area which you can see that I roll this pen on this in this portion of the on this portion of the chalk. This portion is called what? What? Edge. So you can see that like this. This is a circle. This is a circle. And in a circle had curved line. This is called curved line. And in a sphere also had curved line. In a cone also curved line. This is called curved line. So students, I hope all of you have understood about plane and curved surface and straight and curved line. Okay, this is straight line, this is straight line, this is straight line, and this is curved line. जितना भी हम मुड़ा हुआ तीर बनाएंगे, that is called curved line. Okay, now so students, in next video we will do some exercise of this chapter. Thank you.